Here we are in idyllic British suburbia, passing a lovely red Royal Mail postbox, and we are coming up to a red light. Now, this reminds me I need to hook up the rear camera in my dashcam so I can show you the BMW that was getting very annoyed 2 meters off of the back end of my car because I wasn't overtaking a cyclist at the last minute just to get a few meters ahead on a red light. There is absolutely no need to do so. I'm in a 20 zone where I was doing just under 20, and going behind the cyclist and not overtaking them, I am doing nothing slower, literally. I mean, it's not even a walking pace slower than the speed limit. I am not going to get through the red light any quicker. It's ridiculous.